Here's how I'm getting myself through the fall, fighting my undiagnosed seasonal affective disorder, grieving summer, and finding joy in the fall. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Mackenzie. I make videos on natural wellness, sustainable fashion, and how to take better care of ourselves and our planet. Today's video is a little mix of sad, vulnerable, fun, exciting. Gotta keep it balanced. I'm the type of person who loves summer. Like, it gives me butterflies thinking about the warm sun and going on a picnic and paddleboarding and road trips and ice cream outside and all the summer things. I just love summer. Always have, always will. What I don't like is winter. So fall, in my mind, is kind of like a pre-winter and like a grieving summer time. I've also self-diagnosed myself with SAD, seasonal affective disorder, which for me kicks in like right in the middle of fall, and it's just not fun. So I wanted to do a couple things to help me get through the fall and make it as fun as possible. So one thing I'm doing is trying to make a bunch of fall themed videos. Videos are something I like to make. It brings me joy. So having them be fall themed, I figured would help me to enjoy it more. But a big thing that I'm gonna do, which is what I'm doing today in this video, is creating a fall bucket list. I know it sounds super basic of me and I don't really care because I'm just trying to get through the season, have a little bit of joy, kick the anxiety and depression a teeny tiny bit, and try to enjoy the season, because we all need to enjoy the season after the year that we've had so far. So creating this fall bucket list will give me a little bit of purpose and joy in this season that I don't find much of either of those things in. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna somehow create one of those like little butcher paper list things where you like pull the butcher paper down and you can write stuff on it. I have terrible handwriting and I'm not like crafty like that, so it will not look as beautiful as any that are on Pinterest whatsoever, but it's just for me. I'll show it to you too, but it's mostly for me. And yeah, I hope it inspires you to maybe make your own bucket list if you also struggle to enjoy this time of year, or if you just love this time of year and you want to make sure that you do certain things. So I have everything that I need to make my little hanging list thing, so let's get started. Okay, so my list is here. I got this roll of craft paper from a secondhand craft store in Portland. Same with the magnets. I found one that said autumn. How special is that? And then this is from Fred Meyer. It's like actually to hang like a towel or something, but we're using it for this. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna start. I've been trying to think the last couple days of stuff that I want to put on here, but I'll obviously add more as the fall goes on. But I'm gonna make the bullet points like a little open circle so then I can fill them in when I've done them. Make cranberry sauce. I made it last year for the first time, or maybe it was 2 years ago, and it was so delicious. I made way too much, so this year I'll make a proper portion. Next is Watch When Harry Met Sally. Never seen it, heard that it's major fall vibes. Picnic in the mountains. The mountains here get like really fall looking, like a bunch of leaves and it's like orange and stuff, so I'd love to just go up there, find a picnic spot, have a picnic. Drink hot apple cider and watch a movie. Thrift the perfect black sweater. I don't have one and I really want one. Bake something pumpkin. I'm not a baker, so this would be a challenge, but I want to try. make a fall floral arrangement. Write something I'm grateful for daily. That I think I'll put on here somewhere. Like, I don't know if my list will end here and then I'll start the grateful list down there, or if I'll just scroll it down and write the grateful list up there. But I want to make sure that, like, I feel like with Thanksgiving and stuff that people are already more like grateful minded, like they're trying to make lists and stuff. But especially with me not liking much about the season, I still want to stay grateful and focus on positive things. Make applesauce. I made that a couple years ago too, and it's just so good, fresh. Thrift the perfect flannel. I have one flannel right now and I don't even like it, so I really want just like one go-to that I love. Twilight Marathon. I know it's kind of not fall, but it makes me feel like fall. One of my best friends has never seen Twilight except like the third movie, and so we have to watch it and relive that part of my preteen angst. Okay, this one says find and rate the best leaf crunch. I thought this would be something fun, just like throughout fall. I can just keep a rating in my mind of the best like stomp and leaf crunch. I don't know, it's dumb, but I think it's fun. Okay, so this is everything I thought of off the top of my head. I think I'm gonna continue adding more, but this is my fall list for now. We have make cranberry sauce, watch When Harry Met Sally, picnic in the mountains, drink hot apple cider and watch a movie, thrift the perfect black sweater, bake something pumpkin, make a fall floral arrangement, write something I'm grateful for every day, make applesauce, thrift the perfect flannel, Twilight Marathon, find and rate the best leaf crunch. So this, along with taking my vitamin D, are 2 ways that I am helping myself get through the season. I'm excited. This actually is helping me be more excited, and I hope that this inspires you if you don't love the fall, or if you do love the fall, either way, to make a little list, get yourself excited. We'll do our best together to enjoy the season. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I do have a lot more fall videos coming out, and I don't want you to miss them. So make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up because it does help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!